Hi folks, welcome back to another review and test video. In this video, I'll be reviewing and testing the balanced tone drone reeds. I've heard a lot of good things about these drone reeds. So when I open these up, you're going to see this. This is the front of it. There we go. And these are the drone reeds. Now, I've already put a little bit of hemp. The reeds don't actually come with hemp on them. But as you can see here, these are the reeds. So you got the base, the two tenors, but you got the black bridle there to secure the tongues with, these things here. And then the white bridles to keep them in place and to help adjust the easiness of blowing the reeds in. So I'm going to put these reeds into the drones. We're going to see how they sound, and then we're going to see what the consistency is like. Well, I got the reeds into the drones. Let's strike them up and see how they sound right off the bat. So they sound pretty good right off the bat, very consistent, very steady. Let's let them break in just a little bit, aka add a little bit of heat to them for a couple of minutes with your breath, and then we'll blow up and see what they sound like afterwards. So I've let the drones warm up for about 2 to 3 minutes. So let me blow them up and see how they sound, and I'll see what to do with a little bit of tweaking for the tuning if needed. And then we'll learn how to adjust the pitch of these. That sounds pretty darn good, don't you think? So let's take the drones out of the stocks, and we're going to discover how to adjust the pitch. So take out this one, and this part is not the tuning screw, okay? That threw me off at first. So don't take this out, because that won't do anything to the reed. So what you're going to want to do is where the black part is here, if you gently twist the reed upwards and downwards, this way and that way, then the reed will change pitch. So the drones are a little bit higher than I prefer on my pipes for solos. So I'm going to adjust the reed as such. So I want it to come down. So I'm going to pull the reed backwards this way so that it flattens it off a little bit. So I'm going to do that with that. For the middle, we're going to do the same thing for the outside tenor. We're going to bring it out this way. You might have to hold. A bit here. There's actually a little bit of a grip for your fingers to hold the reed. So I'm going to do that and bring this out just a little bit. Those sound pretty darn good. Wow. So with these ones, these actually kind of remind me of easy drone reeds, where you turn the black tuning screw at the top of the reed to adjust the pitch of it. These are very similar, except you take the whole, basically the entire body of the reed and move it backwards or forwards on the little, I'm going to call it a tuning pin, to adjust the pitch of the reeds. It's really that simple. There's very few reeds that actually adjust that simple. Most of the other reeds on the market require you to take off either the top or some other part of the reed and use an Allen key and adjust the pitch as that, which I'm not a huge fan of. But still, when you do that, the reeds are actually still good and stable. And this one's actually just a little bit of an easier way to do it. So very similar to easy drone reeds, just a different concept. So for these reeds, I actually will try playing these reeds for a while. I did the same thing with the Cal drone reeds. I'll post an update on those later on as well. But for these reeds, they're about $150 Canadian, and they're very stable, as you can hear. They have a good sound, very consistent. They're easy to tune and to make them harder or easier. So I recommend them. So I hope that this video was informational and enjoyable. Please subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and leave a comment down below to what you think of these reeds if you tried them before. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.